Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syahriez Albar. So today I would like to share some information about the human brain. So do you know what is the most complex organ in our body? It's control our thought, behavior, emotion and memory, as well as the basic life function such as the breathing and heart rate. So the structure of this organ consists of cortex, brainstem and cerebellum. Yes, it is a human brain. So today I want to focus on my main point. I want to focus is the first one is the function of human brain. The second one is the interesting fact of human brain, and the third one is how to train our brain to be smarter. So without wasting any time, let's begin with the first one. So human brain is the command center for the human nervous system. So it receives a signal from the body sensory organ and output information to the muscle. So the largest part of the human brain is the cerebrum, which is divided into two hemispheres. So the outermost layer of cerebrum is the cerebral cortex, which consists of four lobes that are frontal, parietal, temporal and occipital. So first is a frontal lobe. This section controls attitude such as reasoning, planning, part of speech, general movement, emotion, smell and personality. So visual processing take a place in a occipital lobe. The temporal lobe processes sounds and language and include the hippocampus, which play roles in memory and emotion. So lastly is the parietal lobe. Is a function of processing sensory information regarding the location of part of the body, as well as interpreting visual information and process language and mathematics. So now everyone is aware about the function of the brain. So let's move to the interesting fact of our brain that I believe not many of you may know. So next let's get to know some of interesting fact of human brain that many people don't know. So first interesting fact of the human brain is the brain waves are even more active while you are dreaming. So when you are fast asleep, you might think that your brain is shut off, but it's actually doing a lot more than when you're working, talking, eating and thinking. When awake, people utilize alpha and beta waves, which give us the wakefulness, explain Brendan Brock, a certificate family-nurse and a staff clinician of Foundation Physician Group. So besides that, our brain storage capacity is a virtual unlimited. There are not such thing as knowing too much or learning so much that you can retain any more information. So your brain does not get used up like the data storage in your computer or your smartphone, say Dr. Kniff. He also said there is endless brain power, although sleep affect your brain ability to create memories. So another interesting fact in the brain is self cannot feel pain. So Beth MC Quinchen, MD, a neurologist and the medical director of the diagnostics division, explained the even though the brain has a layer of covering and blood vessel, the content pain receptor. So the brain itself has zero. This is why the surgeries are able to perform surgeries on the patient while they awake. So that is the list of interesting facts about the human brain. So do you know that we can train our brain to be smarter? So next, I am going to share a few tips on how you can train your brain to be smarter. So, alright, brain. Brain just like your muscle. Your brain needs exercise to keep it good working all day. Keeping healthy diet, exercising and getting enough sleep are some of the best way to make sure your brain stay healthy. So beyond that, there are few ways to enhance your brain power. So the first thing you can do is surround yourself with an intelligent company. So think about what that means for your IQ. Being in the company of intelligent people will indirectly make you want to continue developing your own intelligence. So Jim Rohn said that you are the average of 5 people you surround yourself with. So next is do a lot reading. So this is your enhanced knowledge about something. So reading is improve your knowledge, expand your communication skill, and develop your analytical ability. So other than that, what you can do to train your brain is eat brain food. So food is the fuel for the body, but it does matter what kind of fuel you are using. High nutrition food work well to power up your brain, such as a walnut, fish, tuna, mackerel, salmon contain rich fatty acids that have been proven to help nutrients function. So lastly is a playing brain game. This game will increase your pattern recognition, logic and ability to process too quickly. So now after all the explanation, I believe all of you are aware and starting to open your mind about how important of knowing your brain, because the more you know your brain, the better you will be able to control your mindset. Alright, so finally, it may be conclude that human brain has many functions and it's unique depending on each individual. So as a human being, we may differ the intelligence, but effort is all we need. Effort what make us even. So people need to study the function of their brain and even train their brain to be active, the brain cell. So very little information about the human brain has been known by human. Indeed, the study of the human brain should be done so that we have better understanding about our brain ability. So that's all from me. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Stay safe. Thank you.